The legendary BlackBerry is back. Remember the good old days when a BlackBerry in your hand wasn't just a phone, it was a statement? The late-night chats on BBM, the satisfying click-clack of the QWERTY keyboard, and that little red LED light that would blink with every new message. Honestly, in this age of touchscreens, it's hard to forget that feeling. But get ready, folks, because that era is no longer just a memory. After years, your favorite company, BlackBerry, is making a comeback, and this time, they're bringing something that will blow your mind. A phenomenal blend of the old and the new that will make you say, wow. Introducing the legendary BlackBerry Bold 5G. Let's dive in and see what makes this phone a winner for both old fans and new users. Let's get started. Features of the BlackBerry Bold 5G display and keyboard. First, let's talk about the display. This phone comes with a 4.59-inch LCD screen, complete with that familiar physical keyboard and notification light. But wait, this isn't just an old display. It's got a 120 Hz refresh rate. That means whether you're scrolling, swiping, or opening apps, everything will feel smooth as butter. And the best part? You'll be able to watch HD quality videos on it, something that was just a dream on the old BlackBerry camera setup. Now let's talk about something BlackBerry always lagged behind on, the camera. But this time, this section will truly surprise you. It features a stunning 105 megapixel dual rear camera setup. This isn't just a number. The sensor captures such fine details that you'll be amazed. Its performance in low light is fantastic. And with OIS, your video recording and photography will be even more stable. Plus, there's a 13 megapixel front camera for crystal clear selfies, performance and software. Powering this phone is the Snapdragon 7 Gen 4 processor. Whether you're multitasking heavily or gaming, this phone won't disappoint. And the biggest good news? It will run on the Android operating system. This means you no longer have to worry about apps. All your favorite apps, WhatsApp, Instagram, YouTube, will run smoothly. Battery and charging. As for the battery, it has a powerful 5,000 milliamp hour battery. Charge it once and you're good for up to 2 days. And yes, it comes with a modern Type-C charging socket. Price and launch date. So now for the million-dollar question, what will it cost? The estimated price for the BlackBerry Bold 5G could be around $290, and it might be launched in early 2026. So folks, are you excited about this comeback? Would you want to buy this phone? Let us know your thoughts in the comments.